kids, welcome to our channel Time for Learn. Today I am going to present the sleeping hours of some animals and echolocation from the NCERT textbook. The first lesson, super sense of animals. Now we can go through our topic. Okay. Have you noticed that you can't see any lizard in cold season? Yes? Where do these lizards have gone? Because in cold season, the reason behind this is in cold season it cannot maintain the body temperature with the atmospheric temperature because it's a cold-blooded animal. As a lizard is a cold-blooded animal, it cannot maintain the body temperature with external environment. So to cope up the severe cold temperature, they will hide in any places. Let me introduce two new words, hibernation and estivation. The new words are hibernation and estivation. Then what is hibernation? It's a process of long sleep of some animals during winter season. Some animals go for the long sleep during winter season. During winter season, it cannot adjust with the severe atmospheric temperature because it is a cold-blooded animal. So, the winter sleep of animal is known as hibernation. So, what is estivation? Estivation is the process of sleeping of animals during summer season. So, shortly, the summer sleep of animal is known as estivation. How do dolphin and bat find out its prey? How do dolphin and bats find out its prey? They find out its prey by the process called echolocation. Then what is echolocation? Let us see. Suppose the dolphin produce a high-pitched sound. When it emits the high-pitched sound, it hits on the object. Suppose this is an object and the dolphin or bat, it produces the high-pitched sound. This high-pitched sound hits on this object or any obstacles in front of them or food. And from the obstacles or food, it reflected back. So, the sound reflected back from the obstacles or food. By hearing this reflected sound or the echo, they find out their prey. And this is a process called echolocation. Sloth, a bear-like animal, spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree branch it lives. It eats the leaves of the same tree. When it has eaten enough leaves from that tree, it moves to the nearby tree. The lifespan of the sloth is about 40 years, and in that time, they move about only 8 trees. Let us know more about the sleeping hours of animals. This sloth also, and we can represent it through the pie chart. How do you draw a pie chart? First of all, draw a circle. Then make a line so that we will get the two semicircle, and draw another line to cut this first line, and make a points, 2 points in each part of the circle. Make a join, 2 points in each part of the circle. Then join these dots. Join this dot so that we will get a 24-hour clock. Here it is 24, then 6 hours, here 12 and 18. This is a pie chart. By watching the 24-hour clock, we can notice the sleeping hours of animal. For example, in case of sloths, it sleeps almost 17 or 18 hours a day, and we can shade that portion up to here. We can shade this portion so that we will get only from 18 to 24. This is the 6 hours. So by watching the pie chart, we can understand the sleeping hours of animals. Then we can draw the sleeping hours of other animals like cat. You know that the cat can sleep 12 hours and 12 hours it will wake. So the half, when we shade the half portion, we can understand that the cat can sleep, or the cat is sleep up to 12 hours. So through the pie chart, we can represent the sleeping hours of animals. The tiger, our national animal. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of us. A tiger's sense of hearing is so sharp that it can make out the difference between rustling of leaves and the sound of an animal moving on the grass. The ears of the tigers can move in different directions, and this helps to catch the sound from all around. Each tiger has its own area which may cover several kilometers. Tigers mark their areas with their urine. A tiger will avoid going into another tiger's area. Tigers make different sounds for different purposes, like when it is angry or to call out to a tigress. Its roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. Tigers' whiskers are very sensitive and also sense the movements of vibrations in air. They help the tiger move in the dark and find its prey. Many animals are killed for their body parts. For example, elephants are killed for their tusks, rhinoceros for its horn, tigers, crocodile and snakes for their skin. Musk deers are killed just to make a little scent from its musk. The number of tigers and many other animals in our country is reducing. So, they are on the verge of extinction. To protect these animals, our government has made some forest and protected area and established national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. For example, Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. In these areas, nobody can harm animals or destroy the jungle.
topic for 5th standard and for other classes also. If you have any tough lessons, comment on my channel. If you like my channel, share and give your support. Thank you.